Hey, good afternoon. Or it's not really the afternoon yet, but good morning to another extraordinary day in the world of trading. Uh, Again, none of this has anything to do with investing. If you invest your money in the market, you're a Ponzi scheme trader. The market is a Ponzi scheme, otherwise known as a pyramid scheme. And if enough suckers are out there that keep buying it as you're getting in at the bottom of the pyramid, sure, you'll make money, but inevitably, remember, the pyramid goes back the other direction. And if you don't know, and you don't treat it like a pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme or basically a complete manipulated shit show brought to you by the government, bull market's over for now. It might come back one day, but right now it's over, and you got to continue to sell into the rips. So you know that once something becomes popular, you get the Kathy Wood moment, right? Everybody wanted to be involved in Kathy Wood, and that ended her career because she was trading. You don't invest in momentum stocks. Momentum stocks are for trading. What do you think the oil and energy stocks are right now? It's just the new momentum trade. None of these companies, all these stocks were at $2. US Steel went from 8 to 35. Alcoa was 15 to 90. Occidental 9 to 65. The XLE, on and on and on and on and on. So when you walk in and you see them talking about all these stocks on the market, about how you got to be getting into energy and oil has been rallying for 2 years now. This is not a new trade. This is them trying to sucker you in now to take, they want to take their profits on your dime. They want you to buy Oxy from them. They've been buying it. They've been buying Halliburton with me at 5 and 750 and 10. And now they're going to sell it to you here at 35. Could these stocks go higher? Sure. But why the fuck would you be buying them now? When they gap up after a move, you sell into the gap. They have nowhere else to go but down. You're a shorter of BTU, shorter of Halliburton, shorter of US Steel, shorter of Occidental Petroleum, shorter of APA. You're a shorter of Bed Bath and Beyond, gapping up on some bullshit CEO. This is the greatest trading market in the history of mankind. You always go the opposite way of the popular move. If they're finally tacking, if they're finally telling you to buy US Steel now, it was $9. Now it's at 35. You sell it. I mean, seriously? You're going to buy oil now? It was negative 25. Now it's 125. You want to pile in now? Who cares? If it starts going up again tomorrow, you trade it on the long side. You should not have positions in this market. You shouldn't be carrying positions in this market. No, there's no there's no reason to own stocks. Stocks are moving in 20% increments every day, 100% increments now. Options are moving in 1,000% increments on a daily basis. There is zero reason to ever own stocks ever again. This is a trading market. It's a casino. The casino is rigged. Who do they steal the money from? People that own stocks. They're the easy victims. Don't own, don't swing trade, trade the day. Trade for what you see. You walked in today, BTU was a short, 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 then it was a long, then it became a short again, and now nobody gives a fuck about BTU. I don't give a shit about this stock. Hope it goes to zero now. And then when it's at $9 on the way back up, we'll buy it again. Maybe it goes back to 40 or it doesn't. Who cares? Trade. Bed Bath and Beyond short this morning was a gift. Here, all the suckers are piling in. Take their money. This US Steel short now is the easiest trade I've ever had in my entire life. This Bed Bath and Beyond short, XLE short, Oxy short, Halliburton short, KMI short, Alcoa short, ATI short, Cliff short, X short, BTU short. But here's the point. Yeah, they're working now. If these stocks wouldn't have broken VWAP, that idea to short those stocks would be voided. So I came in today, oh my God, I can't wait to short Occidental Petroleum. I can't wait to short gas stocks. I can't wait to short BTU. I can't wait to short all these stocks. Why? Because all they're talking about is buying them on TV and how this is something new. They've been rallying for 2 years, 2 whole years. The bottom was in October of 2020. These are not new ideas. U.S. Steel's a short. Now you could cover it at 32.
Well, I think the market's done it for us already this year, and we rated a lot of the stocks that were driving those strong returns for the last 18 months. But I do think it's a good time to sit back and admit that this is not a good setup for economically sensitive areas of the market, at least in the near term. And what we're all sitting here wondering is what's the breaking point, right?
Let me reiterate that one more time. I'm never going to own a stock with any meaningful amount of money when I could trade them live for the real move. Why would I commit real money and guess? Because that's what it is. You're guessing. As soon as you hold a stock overnight, welcome to the guessing part. While you're trading live, you're in control. I have full control over everything I own right now. And if the market's open, all I got to do is sell and I'm out. But if something happens overnight and I'm still long some shitty ass bullshit fucking wannabe loser coal company and it's getting hammered, nothing I could do about it. If it opens up at $13 yesterday, right? Tomorrow. I think I give a shit. You understand? Trading is where your money's made. Let everybody else guess. And then when they're really confident about one thing, you go the other way. Energy and oil this morning? It's just a fucking joke. It's a joke how easy trading really is. You go the opposite of Goldman Sachs, you'll make a lot of money. Go the opposite way from Goldman Sachs. If Goldman Sachs says they're buying, you sell. If they're selling, you're buying. It really is that easy. Read. Go on marketwatch.com. See what the popular consensus is and go the other way. But all of that being said, remember, my commentary is worthless. You can have an argument or a thesis or an idea. It needs to be validated by the VWAP. And once it is, then whatever your idea is, then it's being validated. Go ahead and do that idea now. You think U.S. Steel is going to be a short? Great. I don't know if it's going to be a short because it certainly wasn't a short to start the day, but then it pulled back to 32.92, actually ran $1, then it rolled over, and then it became a short at 33.06. Same thing with BTU. BTU was a short first, then it was a long, then it was a great short. Stock might be going to zero now. No joke. Remember, it's a bankrupt coal company that got squeezed. And it got squeezed to the price that we wanted it to go to, $27.30. That was our target from a year ago. Now when you want to start getting pessimistic, you had a 19% sell-off in the NASDAQ, right? 12% of the S&P. Now you want to get pessimistic? It makes no sense to me. So ignore the price targets entirely. The rationale behind the price targets is interesting, but just focus on this idea. The lower the market goes, the more potential upside. It doesn't work the other way around, believe me. Yeah, believe you, Josh Brown. Tell us to buy Roblox again at 105, and now you want to sell it here at 50. Give me a fucking break. That guy is clueless. And I thought he knew something. It turns out he's another fucking cheerleading hack. Josh Brown is fucking clueless. I'll outtrade that asshole any fucking day of the week. That's right. Josh Brown, why don't you put up? He steals my idea for the schmooze. You're clueless about the market. You're just another cheerleading product. You're no better than Kathy Wood. You're clueless. You're fucking clueless, just like everybody else in this industry. There's only one thing that works. It's VWAP trading, and that's it. See, he's a typical no consequences, no repercussions hack. Exactly. Because he's snarky and he's fun to listen to. But at the bottom line, why do we want to listen to people on CNBC? They're supposed to help us, not fuck us up. I'm here to help you. You are supposed to be here to help us, not to fuck us up. What movie? Fuck you, John. That's it. They find people that are engaging. The women are, you have any ugly people on CNBC? Any ugly women talking about stocks? No. It's a cheerleading pageant. Right? Once the market becomes volatile, nobody knows what they're doing. Oh, it's just so sick. The sick part is that why the hell did I start covering the damn U.S. Steel? Oh, wait. Oh. Oh.
You may not be saying short the market, but I mean, unless my notes are wrong, and I don't think they are, you're shorting Snowflake and you're shorting the financials. So I mean, those are short bets against parts of the market. You may not be short the S&P, but what's the message there?
So Snowflake is different. Let me give you Snowflake. So Snowflake will tell me, yeah, but still grew, revenue 100%, but it's still way, way too expensive. So to me, it's a broken stock that's no different than Zoom or Teladoc or any of those other kind of crash. In terms of the XLF, that's a hedge. So I put that on. I haven't sold any of my gold. I haven't told anybody.
XLE short still working. U.S. Steel still working. XLE, you got 23 cents before it goes negative. There's no doubt in my mind we're going negative here because every sheep on earth was buying this thing. Morons. You know what? I probably shouldn't make videos. I probably shouldn't help people anymore because you know who I'm taking this money from? People. Other people that don't know what they're doing. I should just keep my mouth shut and just keep taking their money. You want to buy Bed Bath & Beyond at the open because you think it's going to have the mother of all short squeezes? Yeah, I just crushed your mother. Go tell your mom what you just did. Tell your mom how you just lost $7,000 that she lent you because you're fucking clueless. Anyway, UVXY green on a Friday or a Monday always is a reminder that we're in a bear market. All right? All right, XLE, you got 30 more cents to go. But you got to cover here at the half number. 31.67 on U.S. Steel. And if anybody is still short, 32.11 is your out. All right, be careful out there. Come to the website. I'm leaving. By the way, luckily the market crashed already. But I'm going to be out of town off and on the next couple of weeks, so there's going to be even more volatility. So when I'm not around to protect the world, it gets even crazier. All right, be careful out there, people. Remember, no one's trying to help you but me. And that's why my videos are buried on YouTube. That's why I have a non-existent I've been making videos about the market since 2007. I have a non-existent presence on YouTube. You know why? Because I tell the truth. And I don't buy anything that they try to sell me like ad time or some Google bullshit that I don't need. So I've been buried. Help me spread the gospel. All right? Careful out there.